Hey everybody, my name is Nick, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to add friends in StepUp. So let's get started, and first of all tap on StepUp. So all you have to do to add your friend in StepUp is click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and here you can send friends and invite link. So you can send it with WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social media. For example, let's try to send it with WhatsApp. Click on it, and here we have to send it to someone. And let's say your friend got this message. He will just have to click on this link. By the way, he should have the application installed on his phone. So let's click on the link. And as you can see, you cannot add yourself as a friend. Share your invite link with friends to add them on StepUp. But your friend should not get this message, of course. So, and after clicking on the link, he will appear in your list of friends. So if the usual invite to friends doesn't work, try to create a group and invite your friend there. So you can do it this way. Just tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and now click on manage groups. So here click on create group and type here your group name. For example, let's type here group 1 and tap on create. Okay, and as you can see, we now have the group 1 tab next to the friends tab, and we can swipe to the right, and here our group 1. So now we have to click on invite people to group and again send friends and invite link. So, but this link should definitely work by now. The main thing is that your friend must have the StepUp application installed. So guys, that's how you can add friends in StepUp. I hope this video was clear for you. Do not forget to subscribe to me and put your like under this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.